Maya, can I ask you something honestly?
Of course. What's up?
Do you ever feel like your life is changing but you don't even notice it?
Wow, that's deep. Yes, actually, I have changed a lot this year.
See, you just used it.
Used what?
I have changed. That's today's magic structure.
I haven't succeeded.
Yes, and it feels natural, not like a textbook.
Exactly. Present perfect is perfect for talking about things that happened, but still matter now.
Like, I have improved my English.
Yes, because your improvement is still true now.
You know what? I have become more confident this year.
I can see that. You have spoken more clearly in our recent episodes.
Thank you. And you, what's something you have learned recently?
I have learned to be more patient.
That's powerful.
It wasn't easy. I have faced some challenges.
We all have, but that's life.
Okay, let's make this simple for our listeners. If you want to talk about experiences, changes, achievements, things you did today, use have or has plus past participle.
For example, I have finished my work. She has started a new job. We have watched that movie. They have moved to a new city.
And for negative, I have not finished. He has not called. We haven't decided yet.
And for questions, have you tried it? Have they arrived? Has she completed the task?
Okay, Maya, quick round. Have you exercised today?
Yes, I have. I have done 20 minutes of yoga. Have you drunk coffee?
Yes, I have drunk 2 cups already. That explains your energy. Have you checked your phone today?
Too many times. I have checked it at least 10 times.
Same here. I have spent too much time online.
You know, sometimes we say, I have failed, but we forget to say, I have tried.
That's beautiful.
Failure is temporary. Effort stays.
And confidence grows when you practice daily, and that's why we created this space.
Yes, Daily Speak English isn't just about grammar.
It's about speaking naturally
It's about real conversations.
and building confidence step by step.
So now it's your turn.
In the comments, write one sentence using I have
Tell us something you have done today.
or something you have improved recently.
Maya, I feel like we've had a great conversation today,
We really have.
and I've enjoyed every minute of it.
Me too. Keep practicing, keep speaking.
And remember,
Confidence comes from action.
see you in the next episode of Daily Speak English.
Bye, everyone.